Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can fix messenger call not showing up on screen. So what happens is that whenever you receive a call, you'll not be able to see it on your home screen. So in order to fix this issue, what you have to do is simply watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Before we get started, make sure whether your internet connection is stable or not. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, what you can do is you can simply check whether your application is up to date or not. So in order to check, you'll have to tap on Play Store, and as you open your Play Store application, on the search box you'll have to type in Messenger. As I type in the name of an application, you can see you have the info about the application. So out here you can see that the update is available, so all you have to do is tap on update. So one of the reasons for your issue might be not updating your application. So after you update your application, there are slight chances that you'll be able to fix your problem. So after updating your application as well, you still face a similar problem, then what you can do is simply go back to your home screen and then long press on your Messenger application. As you do that, tap on app info. On the other page there are more info, so then scroll down and then look for permission. So as you tap on permission, what you have to do is you'll have to enable permission, or you'll have to turn on permission for all of these following options. So after doing this as well, you're still unable to fix the problem, then what you can do is you can simply go back once again, tap on the arrow icon in the top left corner. So once you do that, tap on storage. Over here you simply have to tap on clear cache and clear data at the same time. So after you tap on these following options, all your information will be erased along with your chat, which means that you'll have to re-log in once again. So after you re-log in into your account, you might be able to fix your problem. So after following all of these methods, you still cannot fix the problem. What you can do is you can simply reinstall your Messenger application, so that might actually fix your problem. So those were the few methods on how to fix messenger call not showing up on screen. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.